Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change window size in Windows PowerShell. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change window size in Windows PowerShell, open PowerShell, in search type PowerShell. Now open Windows PowerShell. Right click on title bar and click on properties. In properties, click on layout tab. Here you will find the window size. You can change window size from here. You will find two options, width and height. I am going to minimize width and I am going to minimize the height. Now click on OK. Look, the PowerShell window size has been changed. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.